gonna go drive up the street and get the sunrise. So this should be fun. Now, this is a pretty crap view because of that big huge pole in the way, but we'll see what comes of it. Let's do that. No more fiddling around, let's do this. Got exactly half an hour of the sun coming up. But there was a hole right in the way. Stupid. I'm going to go ahead and put you on the front camera. That was on the shoulder, by the way.
I got a mount for the camera to look out, but it looked fine, but I couldn't figure out how to use it because it just sort of hangs there. It doesn't really hold the camera right because my windshield is at such an angle. It just doesn't hold. Maybe I can put it on the side window or something. I don't know. Play with it. I'm not gonna play with it. Next thing I do. Another view. Another view. Another one. Another one. Another view. Another one. Another one. Woo! So cool. Keep it cool. Cool view. I'm talking to myself. Even talking to myself. Alright. Check it out. Oh.